Hello, my name is Nawras. I got into the spiritual path like a few years back, and it started off with learning a lot of things, and the whole process being fully only intellectual. And at some point, I got into the self mastery community, and I met Daniel, and he offered me one session out of his generosity. But we did one session, and it was very early um, in my journey, in a way, where it was at the point where I started off like practicing a little bit, and then we did a session with Daniel, and I had uh, I was very confused because I had all of this knowledge in my head, but I didn't know where to go. I didn't have any direction. So I only knew things in my head, but didn't know what direction to head to go to. And then Daniel, I did a session with Daniel, and he helped me like get a head start on my journey. And I liked how he got on to my level of experience, and he helped me work with my experience, with whatever was present in my experience. And then I also liked how he gave me advice based on what I needed. And so in the beginning I was very confused about where to go, what to do with the information that I had collected from those years. But he gave me a direction and advice on where to head to, what to do, how to start off my journey. And so he helped me deal with that confusion of what to do, how to start off the journey. And I liked how also he gave me he proposed a practice, or actually he gave me a practice that was helpful based on my experience. So I would say that for anybody that is maybe stuck or confused or not sure what to do, I would definitely recommend a session with Daniel.